Bang. Behind the cardboard box on the floor. The TP. Right side. Watch out. Got him. Hey. 500 FPSs, baby. No, I don't see him. I don't see Pang. You see Pang? Right here, surrounded. There's Pang. He's on the bunker. Ah! No. I got Pang.
Yeah, you did.
Get you surrounded. You move it out. You move that again. And then the last time you move down.
Don't forget the pistol roll.
Fucking 3D. Oh, bitch! Damn, all three of them! Oh, damn!
That was good.